Hey everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bowman from Bowman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton, Florida, and I'm super excited to introduce to you the latest member of our medical provider team, Dr. Jamie Rose. She's amazing, she's compassionate, she's professional, she's an expert hair restoration physician, and I'm going to let her tell you a little bit about her background and what she's up to.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Rosenzweig. My patients call me Dr. Rose. I've been a physician for over 20 years, and I've devoted myself to hair restoration and hair transplant surgery for over a decade. My passion is hair transplant surgery because it restores one's confidence and one's hair. So many of my patients tell me it's a life-changing procedure, and this is truly the most rewarding path I've found within medicine. I started my career at Tufts University School of Medicine, where I was introduced early to microsurgery. I did research at Harvard's Mass General Plastic Surgery Research Laboratory, where I won a research fellowship award and became a Harvard published physician. I was introduced to microsurgery early on in my career, and I was hooked. After completing my training, I advanced onto cosmetic medicine, hair restoration, and regenerative medicine. I became one of the first physicians to train other physicians nationally in regenerative medicine. I then became an international physician educator and trained on aesthetic medicine and regenerative medicine. In my career, I've treated both men and women with hair loss from all around the world, ranging in ages with different textures, and I love to customize hairlines for each individual patient. This is the artistry that I love about hair transplant surgery. Dr. Bowman and I share a patient-first mentality where we're both devoted to providing the ultimate hair restoration experience for all of our individual patients. I will be offering hair restoration procedures including hair transplant surgery, PRP, and all of the state-of-the-art modalities at Bowman Medical. I'm looking forward to meeting our patients at Bowman Medical and delivering the high level of service our patients have come to expect.